In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Veloster key fob. This key fob was used on models between 2012 and 2017 and uses a CR2032 battery. You can change your battery yourself at home. It's very easy. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and one of these batteries. You can get these online for just a couple bucks. I will leave a link in the description to buy it on Amazon. And once you have your battery, you can just follow along. So first step is to push this button on the bottom of the key fob to remove the internal key. Now we can see the hole that the key came from and then a little slot beneath it. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver, insert it into that slot above the keyhole, holding firmly, just twist, and just with a little pressure, the two halves will come apart. You can pull them apart with your fingers or insert your tool in that opening, work your way down, twisting until it comes apart like this. Now, the battery is in this little housing and can't really remove it with my fingers. If you have a smaller screwdriver than I do, you can probably get in the side there and just do what I'm about to do, but I'm going to use one of these precision screwdrivers to safely remove the battery without scratching it. You can get a pack of these on Amazon. They're just a couple bucks. I'll leave a link if you're interested. Otherwise, you could use a toothpick or maybe a pen, but just be careful not to damage anything. We're going to come in on the right side of the battery, push all the way down to the floor of this little area, and try to pry to get under the battery. And once you get under it and you pry a little bit, the battery will just fly right out. Now take a new CR2032 battery, make sure this positive side of the battery information goes down, and we're just going to position this into the little area here, coming down first towards this metal component and then clicking in the top. So position it, come down, just click, just goes right into place like that, and you know that you're done. Now we can just click the two halves of the key fob back together, throw your internal key back in, and you can see the light comes on, meaning you did everything correctly and your battery has juice and it should work now. So if this video helped you, feel free to leave a like, and if you'd like more information, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com to see the entire guide on the Hyundai Veloster. Thank you for watching.